How to perform a vitamin D test. Today we are going to show you how to carry out a home test for vitamin D. It's a blood test and you can carry this out at home by yourself. We are going to show what the package will contain. I will proceed by opening the test cassette. This one is desiccant and for storage purpose only. It's not the test part itself. It just simply keeps the test dry. I will dispose it properly. You have the cassette. You can release the blood specimen into the specimen well and release the buffer into the buffer well. Here is capillary dropper, the one you use to absorb the finger blood and then release the blood into the specimen well. You can see the indicated line on the dropper. The blood should reach the line, or there is not enough blood for the test. You have alcohol pad. This is the one you can use to clean your fingertip. This is lancet. Prick your fingertip and drop blood on it. You have the vitamin D buffer, the liquid that you mix your blood in order to detect the vitamin D. Lastly, you have the vitamin D color card. There are 4 results on the card. After testing, you need to compare your test result to the color card. Now we are going to carry out the test. I am going to test by myself. First, I will take the alcohol pad, clean the middle fingertip. I will prick my fingertip with lancet. I need to twist the knob at anti-clockwise and take it out. It's ready to be used. I press the lancet towards to the fingertip. I just punctured my fingertip, so we will see we can get any blood out of. I need the blood to the line. I put the dropper in contact with the blood. Without squeezing the capillary dropper bulb, the blood migrates into the capillary dropper through the capillarity to the line indicated on the capillary dropper. I will release blood into the specimen well of the test cassette. I will use this one to clean my finger. Wait for the blood to be totally dispensed in the well. Next, I will take the buffer and unscrew the cap of bottle and add 2 drops of buffer into buffer well. 1, 2. So we are done. You can see the test cassette around itself. There is a letter C and a letter T. The letter C stands for control line. When the control line shows up when you take this test, then you see the test works and you have a good test. The control line is trying to show up. If no control line shows at all, that means you have a faulty test. That means the test is not working. This is really rare. When it happens, just contact us. We will give you more information on how to continue after that. The second letter is T. This is test line. Our test is semi-quantitative test, so you may get one of the following 4 results: deficient, insufficient, sufficient and excess. If your test line is intense, your result is deficient. 0 to 10 nanogram vitamin D in 1 milliliter blood. That means rare vitamin D in your blood. You have to contact your health doctor for further treatment. If the intensity of your test line is equal to insufficient, 10 to 30 nanogram vitamin D in 1 milliliter blood. If the intensity of your test line is equal to sufficient, 30 to 100 nanogram vitamin D in 1 milliliter blood. You have enough vitamin D in your blood and with a good health. But if there is no test line appears, your result will be excess. There is too much vitamin D in your blood. You have to contact your doctor for further treatment too. Usually you have to wait about 10 minutes. You can already see the C line showing up. That means I have a good test. We are going to fast forward. Now 10 minutes passed. Then we will see what it looks like. Compare the test cassette to the color card. You can see the test line is equal to insufficient. That means I don't have enough vitamin D in my blood.